Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use Teamwork.com's analytics feature for data-driven decisions. First off, log into your Teamwork.com account and click on the Analytics tab on the dashboard. This takes you to the Analytics Hub, where all your data is stored. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place to review and analyze all your project data. Now that we've done that, let's select the project you want to analyze from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it narrows down the data to the specific project you're interested in, making the analysis more targeted and precise. Next up, explore the various data points available: tasks, milestones, time, and billables. Click on Tasks, for instance, to view the progress, completion rate, and time spent on each task. This is crucial as it helps you track your team's productivity and identify areas for improvement. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. Teamwork.com gathers all this data in real time, giving you an accurate, up-to-the-minute view of your project's status. Now, let's move on to generating reports. Click on Create Report, select your desired parameters, and hit Generate. The reason we do this is to have a tangible document that you can share with your team or stakeholders, offering them an easy-to-understand snapshot of the project's progress. Let me explain why this matters. These reports empower you to make data-driven decisions, helping you identify bottlenecks, allocate resources effectively, and ultimately boost your project's success rate. Finally, remember to regularly update and review your analytics. The more current your data is, the more accurate your decisions will be. And there you have it. You now know how to use Teamwork.com's analytics feature to drive your project decisions. Until next time, keep analyzing and keep improving.